If you want your bed to feel like part of the room, not just something placed in it, the frame you choose makes a noticeable difference. Basic frames get the job done, but they don't add much visually. On the other end, fully upholstered beds can sometimes feel a bit heavy depending on the space. In this video, we're looking at the Silk & Snow Upholstered Bed Frame, including both the grid tufted and horizontal channeled headboard options. We'll break down the construction, the design differences, and what it's like to use day to day so you can figure out which version fits your setup a bit better. If you want more details on pricing, available sizes, or color options in Canada, you can find everything linked in the description. The Silk & Snow Upholstered Bed Frame is designed to bring a softer, more finished look to the bedroom compared to a standard platform or wood frame. Instead of exposed materials, the frame is fully upholstered, which gives it a more cohesive appearance and a bit more presence in the room. It means to feel more like a central piece of furniture rather than just a base for your mattress. There are two headboard styles available, a grid tufted option and a horizontal channeled design. Both use the same underlying structure, so the difference comes down to the visual style rather than performance. This type of frame works best if you want something that leans more into design and comfort, especially if your bed is a focal point in the room. Next, we'll look at how it's built, starting with the construction and materials. Construction and materials. Both versions of this frame share the same underlying structure, the main difference coming from the headboard design. The base uses a platform style setup with a slatted support system, so there's no need for a box spring. The slats are spaced to provide even support across the mattress while still allowing airflow underneath. The entire frame is upholstered, including the side rails and footboard, which gives it a more uniform look compared to mixed material designs. Underneath, the internal structure is designed to keep everything stable, with a center support system helping distribute weight more evenly, especially on larger sizes. The headboard is padded, adding a softer surface at the top of the bed. While the tufting or channeling changes the appearance, both versions follow the same construction approach. The build combines a standard platform foundation with a fully upholstered finish, keeping the design consistent across both styles. The Silk & Snow Upholstered Bed Frame receives a construction and material score of 8.5 out of 10. Design and aesthetic. The design leans towards a soft, structured look that feels more intentional than a basic platform bed. Because the entire frame is upholstered, it creates a more cohesive appearance. The fabric covering softens the edges and gives the bed a more finished presence in the room. The main visual difference comes from the headboard styles. The grid tufted option has a more segmented look, adding structure and detail, while the horizontal channeled version feels cleaner and more streamlined with longer lines that can make the bed appear wider. Both options share the same overall height and profile, so the choice comes down to which style fits your space rather than how the frame performs. In a bedroom, this type of design works well if you want the bed to act as more of a focal point, especially in modern or more layered setups. The Silk & Snow Upholstered Bed Frame receives a design and aesthetic score of 8 out of 10. Stability and build quality. The frame is designed to feel solid once everything is assembled, with the platform structure supporting the mattress evenly across the surface. The center support system plays a key role, especially on larger sizes. It helps reduce flex through the middle, which is typically where wear shows up for the first time. Even though the structure is hidden beneath the upholstery, the frame feels grounded in use rather than lightweight. Once it's in place and properly tightened, it stays stable during normal use. In terms of noise, the construction underneath is fairly simple, so there aren't many components that tend to loosen over time. That usually results in a quieter experience with minimal creaking or shifting. While the focus here leans more towards design, the frame still delivers a consistent level of stability without needing much ongoing adjustments. The Silk & Snow Upholstered Bed Frame receives stability and build quality score of 9 out of 10. Ease of assembly. Assembly here is fairly straightforward, though the upholstered components do add a bit of bulk to the process. You're connecting the main frame, attaching the headboard, and placing the slats, so there aren't any complicated mechanisms to deal with. It's more about getting everything aligned than managing a large number of small parts. Because because the pieces are larger than a basic metal or wood frame, it's usually easier with 2 people, especially when positioning the headboard. Most setups fall in the 30 to 60 minute range, depending on your pace and the space you're working in. Once it's assembled, there's very little need for adjustment, so it's more of a one-time setup. The Silk & Snow Upholstered Bed Frame receives an ease of assembly score of 7.5 out of 10. Practical features. This frame focuses more on comfort and finish than added functionality. There's no built-in storage for extra mechanisms, so it won't change how you use your space in the same way a storage bed would. Instead, the value comes from the upholstered design and headboard. The padded headboard makes a noticeable difference if you spend time sitting up in bed. It provides a more comfortable surface than a wall or a harder frame, which can make reading or watching something feel more natural. Both headboard styles offer the same level of comfort, so the difference comes down to appearance rather than function. The platform design also removes the need for a box spring, keeping the setup simpler and more streamlined. It's not a feature-heavy frame, but adds a level of comfort and a more finished feel compared to more basic options. The Silk & Snow Upholstered Bed Frame receives a practical feature score of 8 out of 10. Pricing for this frame sits in the mid-range for upholstered bed frames, with a small difference between the 2 headboard styles. Both versions share the same base structure, so pricing stays fairly close, with slight variation depending on the headboard design you choose. For reference, a queen size in the grid tufted style typically comes in around $700. The horizontal channeled option is $750 in the queen size. In Canada, pricing will also vary by size and any current promotions, so it's worth checking listings for the extra configuration you're considering. The difference in cost between the 2 is fairly minor, so the choice tends to come down more to design preference than price. Policies. In Canada, Silk & Snow offers a 30-day return period, though the frame needs to remain in its original packaging and in donatable condition. Return shipping costs aren't included, so that's something to keep in mind if you're planning to send it back. The bed frame is delivered flat packed and requires assembly at home, which is fairly standard for this type of furniture. It's also backed by a 5-year warranty, which provides longer term coverage for materials and construction. If you want to review the full policy details or check for any updates, you can find that information in the description. The Silk & Snow Upholstered Bed Frame is a good fit if you're looking for something softer and more design focused than a standard platform bed. Both versions share the same core structure and comfort, so the choice comes down to the look you prefer. The grid tufted headboard adds more visual detail and structure, while the horizontal channel design leans cleaner and more streamlined. It works well if you want your bed to feel like a central piece in the room, especially in more modern or layered spaces where the frame plays a bigger visual role. If you're looking for added functionality like storage or something more minimal and low profile, there are better options in those categories. If you want to explore current pricing, available sizes, or promotions in Canada, you can find those details in the description. And if you found this helpful, feel free to like, subscribe, and leave a comment with any questions. We'll see you in the next one.